And it's not that you can take your life when you're young. I tell you, sometimes I go through so much frustration, and auzubillah. Sometimes I'm like, only this week I was telling somebody that, I said, I go through so much frustration in life sometimes, that I'm like, I have lived it. I wish this could be the end of life. What more problems you want to face in life? I don't feel like living again. And then sometimes things are so nice that you wish that you can live forever. You want to have a health care that you will never die. But then when we think, afala yaqilun, we realize, yahi hai haqiqat, this is the reality of life. We have no control over birth, and we have no control over death. We cannot take our lives, and we don't know when we'll die.